it's Owen at Tonic HQ, and we've got some awesome bundles this weekend on the Tonic Studios store. We've gone all things ink this weekend, so find out what's available at up to 60% off. First up, we've got our large ink pad bundle at 60% off. You're getting 7 inks in lovely bold colours. Next up, we've got our Aqua Flow bundle, which is 4 different sets of our recent trend launches, all available for 60% off. We've got a hybrid ink pad bundle, so you're getting 4 sets from our trend launches. There's 3 ink pads in each, and that's available for you at 50% off. We've got an ink blender bundle, which are all the tools you need to create wonderful ink effects. These are available on the store at 50% off. We've got another ink tool bundle for you as well, which are brushes and daubers, and they're available for you at 40% off. And finally, we have a big white card bundle for you. There's 50 sheets in total at a big discount. And that's it. Those are your bundles for this weekend on the Tonic Studios store. As you can see, there's some awesome deals available, so grab a discount this weekend on the Tonic Studios store.